ForrestJS core exports a utility that actually executes a ForrestJS application. This utility is simply called run, so you can import it or require const ForrestJS require ForrestJS core. This is the library, and at this point we can create our app, which is the result of ForrestJS run. This is what we need to do in order to kick off a ForrestJS app. Now in our app symbols, we will have a promise. ForrestJS run is a boot, kicks off the booting of the application, and this is something that can take time. It's something that can be asynchronous, so we can await it, we can listen to it, or we can use any kind of promise-based APIs. Like we can do app then console log the app started, or app catch. We can pipe it to the console error. When we reload this, there we go. Right now we have an empty void application. It doesn't do much, and it starts correctly.